If you want to scrape data from the internet without learning how to code, this video is for you. Basically, you can do web scraping in two different ways. You can scrape data with your own computer, or you can use a cloud scraping tool. If you scrape locally with your own computer, your computer has to be turned on every time you want to scrape. Of course, that's a scenario that we want to avoid, and that's why we use a cloud scraping tool. Now, I evaluated scraping tools on multiple criteria. First of all, the performance has to be good. Secondly, the free plan has to support cloud scraping. And when you finally want to upgrade to a paid plan, it shouldn't be too expensive. And the website that ticked all the boxes is browse.ai. And the reason I choose this website is first of all because it's really intuitive, it's not technical at all. And secondly, their free plan provides you 50 credits a month, which enables you to do a lot of screen scraping. Now, if you want to support this channel and also get a 10% discount whenever you upgrade, please use the URL on the screen when creating an account. Once you've created an account, you will end up on this page. And in this video, I will show you two examples on scraping data. So in the first example, I will show you how to monitor the price of one item, for example, one book or one cryptocurrency. In the second part of the video, I will show you how to extract a list of structured data, for example, how to extract all books or all cryptos from one page. Now with browse.ai, you can also combine those two techniques together. So first you scrape all the items and then you track the changes for every individual item, and that's called a workflow. But for now, I'm going to start with monitoring site changes. So I'm going to click here in order to create a new robot. And then for now, I'm going to track the price of Bitcoin. So I'm basically interested in this price and I want to download this price every day in order to do some analysis on it. So I'm going to copy this URL, I'm going to paste it here. We don't need to log in order to extract this data. And then I'm going to click on start training this robot. And for that, I want to use the Chrome extension that I've already installed earlier. The Chrome extension will pop up. And in order to start the scraping process, I have to click here on this robot. And in this case, I want to capture text. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click here on the text of the Bitcoin price. Then as soon as I'm done, I'm going to press on enter. And I just have to provide a name to this price. So I'm just going to call it BTC price and press enter. And then in this case, I've already finished the recording. Now I can give this robot a name, for example, extract BTC price every day. I'm going to press on save. Then you can configure how many times you want to run this robot. So you can run it every day, only on specific days. And you can even configure on which time you want to run the robot, for example, at 8 a.m. But for now, I'm going to just press on any time, because for now, I don't care which time the robot visits the web page. I just want to check the price every day. Then you can here notify me by email if there is a change in the capture text. I'm going to disable it for now. Otherwise, I'm going to get a lot of emails, and I'm going to press on save. They will see here an example of what the scraping looks like. I'm good with this, so I'm going to click here on yes, looks good. Now your robot has been created and scheduled, and after a few days you can already compare the prices. If you want to do that, navigate to tables, and then you will see here the current price. And if you click here on show historical data, you will get a list of all the rows that have been scraped, and you can export it, for example, as a CSV file. In order to build a second robot, I'm going to navigate back to the dashboard, and you see my robot here, and I'm going to click on build new robot. And for this robot, I'm going to show you how to extract structured data. So how to extract information about all cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to click here. Then of course, I need to start with the web page. And this is the web page where you can find information about all cryptocurrencies. So not only Bitcoin. I'm going to provide this URL here. And I'm going to click here in order to start training this robot. Now this process is a bit different. I'm going to click again on this robot. And now I'm going to click here on capture list. I will see that this is the feature that you can use if you want to get a collection of items. So I'm going to click here. And in the first phase, this is really important. You have to show what one list item looks like. So this is what one list item looks like. And then this item includes a subset of items. So I'm going to click here. And then I'm going to click here on the name. So be really careful that you select only the name of the cryptocurrency. And I'm going to select the symbol or the ticker. And I'm going to as well click on the price. So those are the three items that I'm interested in now. And as soon as you're done, just press enter. And you can provide a name for all these items. So I'm going to give a name, symbol, and of course the price. Press enter. And then this is what your list will look like. I'm going to give my list a name, like all cryptos. And then you can as well, for now, I'm just going to download 10 items, but of course you can as well download way more items. And then you have to select how the robot can navigate. So in this case, click on next to navigate to the next page. And this is how this page works. After the robot has downloaded every item from the first page, it's going to click on this link in order to navigate to the second page, etc., etc. So just click here and then click on capture list. Finish recording. And your robot has been created. Let's give it a name as well. And let's click on save. Then you will see here how the pricing works as well. So you will pay 1 credit per task, so per URL visited. This already includes 10 items, and then you will get charged 0.1 credit per additional item on that specific page. Every month you will get 50 credits for free, so this will give you quite some room for experimenting. Browse.ai will take some time and it will show you again an example, and you will see here that 1 credit has been used in order to download these 10 items. Now if I scroll down, you can click here on yes, looks good, and your robot has been finalized. Here the process is the same. If you want to fetch the data, just navigate to tables. Then you will see here the list, let's say scraping action. You can click here on the eye symbol, and then you will see the list of everything that we have downloaded. And we click here on export, and we can download a CSV as well. After the file has been generated, I'm going to click here on download. The file will be downloaded. I'm going to open it in Excel. In most cases, you just want to get rid of the first columns. So let's remove those ones. Let's just hide them. And then you will see the position, the name, the symbol, and of course the price of every cryptocurrency. I really hope this video helped you to get up to speed with web scraping. If it was useful for you, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel.